Are men and women in the party? Is the boy playing with the girl? Are the father and mother at home? Is your uncle coming with your aunt? Do kings and queens live in palaces? Is the actor working with an actress? Are the brothers talking to their sisters? Does the gentleman know the lady? Are the sons and daughters studying together? Is the husband calling his wife? Are the male teachers meeting the female teachers? Is your grandfather visiting your grandmother? Do the boys respect the girls? Are the nephews playing with their nieces? Is the lion chasing the lioness? Are the roosters louder than the hens? Is the horse faster than the mare? Is the wizard more powerful than the witch? Are the grooms ready with the brides? Do the bulls run faster than the cows?